Hey everyone, and welcome to the club, and welcome to this week's art challenge. Today I'll be creating a Fortnite skin out of Rick from Rick and Morty. Now before I begin, I want to remind you to stick around to the end of this video for our daily artist spotlight. So let's get started with the eyes. We're going to move up to the top of the page. On the left side we're going to draw in a circle. Starting from the top, we're going to work our way around to the bottom, and then back up to the top. Now we're going to draw the same thing on the right side. We're going to touch them in the center. So let's line up the top of the eye. Make sure they touch in the center. And back around towards the top. In the center of each eye, I'm going to draw a small little dot. Fill that in black. Now let's move up and draw in the eyebrow. On top of the left eye, I'm going to step up here. We're going to curve down, in towards the middle, and then back up on the right. Now let's round out the eyebrow. On the end, we're just going to curl this back around. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're just going to follow that curve, coming down from left to right. Down the middle, and then back up on the right side. Let's step down and draw the nose. So it's almost like a long U shape. Just underneath the eye on the left, I'm going to curve down, round out the nose, and then pull that back up. Underneath each eye, we're going to add an eye bag. Just a simple curve going across. Now directly below the nose, we're going to add the mouth. So on the left side, we're going to stretch this curve going across, down towards the right side. Now we're going to add a curve on the ends of each mouth, almost like a little bracket. Now from here, we're going to draw on the outside of the head. Let's start on the left side of the eye. We're going to start out here. We're going to go up, curve around the eyebrows towards the top of the head. Then we'll bring that back down on the right side. Now let's extend the line down towards the chin. On the left side, we're going to come down to about the same height as the corner of the mouth. Now let's connect these 2 points with another curve. Coming down the middle, and then back up on the right. In line with the nose, we're going to step out to the side of the head and draw in the ears. Just draw a half circle on the left, and then a half circle on the right. Now let's go in and draw on the hair. So in the center, we're going to step up. We're going to start with a point. From this point, we're going to angle up towards the left, go back to the center, and go up towards the right. Now we just want to taper this down. Come down with a slight angle, just above the head. Now let's draw on the second set of spikes. From this point, we're going to go out towards the left, and then the right. Now from here, we're going to pull this down. Come down toward the side of the head. Now let's go out. Come down towards the left, and then the right. Now we're just going to pull this in towards the ear. Just aiming towards the ear, we're going to stop right about there. We're going to angle these ones coming down. So we're going to start to slope this downward with a shorter line. We're going to come straight across. Now we're going to add 2 more spikes along the bottom. Now these are going to be a little bit smaller. So we're going to come down with a short line, come up and in. Now we'll add 2 smaller ones. We're going to come straight down, and we'll pull this up at an angle in behind the head. Now that we've drawn in Rick's head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to start on either side of the chin. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out, and then straight down towards the hip. I'm just going to curve this out, and then come straight down. We're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's step up and draw that same curve for the top of the belt. Now we're going to add the belt buckle in the middle. So we're going to leave a gap in the middle. On either side, we're going to draw 2 straight lines for the buckle. On the left side, we're going to draw 2 lines side by side for the belt loop. Now let's go in and add some detail to the body. Along the bottom half of the body, we're going to start in the middle, we're going to add a circle. We're going to add 2 more circles on either side. Starting on this side on the left, we're going to curve around, out towards the side of the body, and then back up. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's add 3 smaller circles on the inside. Now in the center of the chest, we're going to add a pouch. From left to right, we draw a straight line. We'll come down just above the circles, and we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add the pouch flap. From corner to corner, come down the middle, then back up. In the center, we draw 2 lines coming down. Now let's add a strap. From the top and bottom corners, we're going to step down, draw a straight line. From the bottom, we'll go up and go out. Do the same thing on the right. Now directly underneath the chin, we're going to add the collar. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then back up. Now let's move to the side and draw the shoulder strap. From the side of the body, we're going to step out, curve out, and we'll just pull that in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to add a buckle along the top. We're going to draw 2 straight lines, one above the other on either side. Now let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down, we're going to draw a straight line, a little short line going across. Now on either side, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, towards the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, we'll curve down and then up towards the toe. Now from the toe, I'm going to draw the top of the foot. We're going to curve up. I'm going to pull this down, aiming towards the heel. We'll stop right about there. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's thicken up the sole. So we're going to take this curve, we're going to step up and just duplicate that. Now along the top of the foot, we're going to add the shin guard. On the top of the left foot, we're going to angle up and out. Do the same thing on the right side to the same height. Now we're just going to pull this in with a short line. Now we're going to angle down and in. And then we're going to come straight down on top of the foot. Now we're going to add a strap. From this corner, we're going to step down, curve down and up. And we'll step down and draw the bottom of the strap with that same curve. Now we're going to go back up towards the hip and draw a straight line coming down in behind the shin guard for the outside of the leg. Let's add a strap across the thigh on the left. From the outside, we'll curve down and up, step down and draw that same curve. Now I'm going to add 2 pouches on the hips. From the outside of the belt, we're going to step up, draw a short line going across, do the same thing on the right, come straight down the leg, and then we'll pull that back in behind the leg. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. On the left side, I'm going to have him holding a gun. So we're going to start at the top of the shoulder strap. We're going to angle down and out towards the left, towards the elbow. Now we're going to go up in an angle towards the wrist. Now from this wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. So we're going to bend this line, coming around towards the bottom of the thumb, and we'll just hook that back up. On the outside of the thumb, I'm going to add the index finger. So a sideways oval going around. Now from here, we're going to draw on the gun. On top of the finger, from the thumb, we're going to go straight out. Now we're going to round out the end of the gun, coming back up. Now we're going to come back in, coming into right about there. Now we're going to round this out in the opposite direction, in behind the thumb. Now about halfway along this space, we're going to start at the very top. We're going to curve out towards the right, and then back towards the left. We're going to add 3 ovals inside here, starting with the center. And then we'll go on the outside. Let's add in the trigger. So underneath the gun, we're just going to curve around the finger and then in behind the thumb. We'll add 2 more fingers just down below. So underneath the trigger, curve around and up underneath the thumb. Do that one more time. Now let's add the handle of the gun. Underneath the thumb, we're going to come straight down, just past the bottom of the fingers, go across, and then we'll pull that up. Now we're going to take this line, go up above the thumb, and then across in behind the gun. Now let's draw on the bottom of the arm. So on the inside of the handle, come straight down in an angle towards the elbow. Now we're going to pull that up and in behind the strap. Let's add a sleeve. From that same line, we're going to curve in and up, step down, draw that same curve. Now we're gonna add a strap across the arm. Starting from the top, curve down and in, step down, and do that same line. Now on the right side, we're just gonna have the arm hanging down. We start at the top of the strap, curve out, and then down towards the wrist. We're gonna step down and draw the inside of the arm, following that same curve, coming down towards the wrist. From the inside line, let's add a half circle for the thumb. And at the end of the thumb, we'll draw a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll curve down and up around the bracket. Step down, draw the second finger with a curve. And at the side of this finger, we're gonna curve around and then in towards the wrist. Now let's add the cuff. From the wrist, we'll step up, curve down and up, step up, draw that same curve. We're gonna add another armband. Starting on the inside, we'll curve down and up, step down again, draw that same curve, and that's pretty much it. There's our Fortnite skin with Rick from Rick and Morty. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your art for a chance to be featured in our daily artist spotlight. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.